Dashboards, those are actually a concept introduced in 3.15. Now I built out here a simple dashboard for the cases and processes which we have created. And there you see the different variety of diagrams which you can create. We have here a line chart with the started and completed instances which we are having. We have then here a list of process instances. We can see the different case instances. We can look at the case status in here, but we can also create our own charts. Here, for example, we have a chart with the kid's name. There we see that 45% of our presents actually went to Lisa, while Paul only got 40%. And then we have two other kids there as well in that list. And in addition to that, you can, for example, configure here that we see the average age of the kids, or we see the number of presents which we distributed around to those kids. Now what we can do is, when we have that dashboard, is we can also say we would like to filter that dashboard. And here we could say, for example, we would like to filter for the price for our present. Let's say we would like to see all of them where the present value was less than 3. That results basically in that we only have 3 presents for which that is true, and the average age is way larger than what we have had before. Let's see if we can adapt that, and let's say greater or equal than 3. And then we see we have 14 presents now, and the average age is 6. Let's maybe increase it a little bit more, and let's say at least 4. Now we have 13 presents, and the age reduced to 5. Now, those components here around, they are coming basically out of the box. And I am going to remove that and save that. While those 3 here are actually configured in Flowable Design. So there's a new model type here, dashboard component, and you can then say what it should be. Here, for example, a pie chart. You configure it with the different colors. Here it's the one for kids' names. And then you define an aggregation definition. That aggregation definition is coming from your query. Same as actually what you are doing for a value component. There the configuration is quite simple since we just have one field, and then you just select one aggregation in here. Now the query here can use the query builder. There you configure the index. You can configure a filter. Here I filtered actually for our prepare presents for kids process instance and allow variables. In the query result, you can go ahead and configure things as well. And then the aggregations here is basically what is visible then at the end inside the component here as aggregation definitions to pick from. I hope you enjoyed the Christmas series. Thank you very much for watching, and Merry Christmas.